Hey guys, today's video is showing you step-by-step how to make the quickest, easiest, from scratch tomato soup that pairs fantastic with grilled cheese. Kid, family, husband, all approved. It's all from scratch, organic ingredients. So let's get started on making some soup that you can pair with or without grilled cheese.
Welcome to the Roots Revival with Food Prude, where we're going back to our roots and learning old-fashioned ways in a modern world. Hi, I'm Laura Lawrence, and I'm glad you're here with me.
All right, hi guys, we're making tomato soup for lunch today because the request was grilled cheese, so you gotta have tomato soup when you make grilled cheese. So, simple, super simple tomato soup, and it takes about 15 minutes at the most. So I'm sauteing some garlic and some onions, and then once that got soft enough, I went ahead and added some celery, and this celery is just the leaves really that I cut off and saved, and I have it in the freezer, in a Ziploc bag in the freezer, so I just grabbed a handful to put in there. And then I opened up a jar of my tomato sauce that I canned. And I'm just kind of letting that simmer down for a little bit, brought it to a boil, letting it simmer down. And then I'm going to use my immersion blender to make sure it's nice and creamy, because we like it creamy with no chunks. And then over here, if you look over here, we have our grilled cheese and my new cast iron. I love cast iron. And so we're gonna have grilled cheese made out of sourdough with these beautiful lines on here. Look at that, looks good, doesn't it? And so here is our soup. Here, can you look up into the soup? There we go, there's our soup. Okay, we'll be eating.
The soup. That.
The soup is in a book.
You can find that recipe in my book, Seed to Plate, in the recipe collection. Thanks for hanging out.